Alright guys, we have today a black box and a Chris McNugget and a Doug Desautel's, two super YouTubers. I found this nail. This is probably the nail that went through your foot. And we're gonna see what's inside this black box.
You hit me every time you open the box next to me. Get a backup.
I won't hit you. I'll hit Doug.
That is beautiful, look at that.
Yeah.
It's like a resume.
Hello, my name is Steven Arad. I'm a student at the Swiss Design Center of Lausanne in Switzerland. For my mobility project, I completely misread that. you open that up while I read this.
Sure.
I have developed a 3D cruiser skate with a board that can be printed by almost all domestic 3D printers. Pretty cool, right? This is a good way to encourage people to DIY and lets them discover the world of 3D printing. I don't totally understand 3D printing.
You just like punch like in a code and this thing prints it out. I don't understand it either.
The whole thing.
I thought I did until I tried to explain it.
Even your little sister can make their own board with the help of Marc de Quesnoy's tutorial. Well, I need some help saying his name. The skate's STL files, no idea what that means, STL, skate the leaf, ready to print are stored on the school website to help me to finance my studies. For the stingies, the files are also available for free on Thingiverse. I made a complete personalized board you can test and do all your best tricks. First try? Let's see what else we got in here.
Like a metal
Oh
frame.
wow. Isn't that beautiful?
It's a really nice, yeah, the red and black's great.
Really does look awesome. Okay, keep that. Pretty sure there's a way to take it apart.
But then you got into the truck too, because they're connected to that.
Oh right. See like the lines in there? How the 3D printing?
Yeah, it's done in layers.
I feel like every 3D printed board just breaks really fast.
Never skated one.
Well, today's your day.
Let's do it.
We're gonna play an episode of Don't Break the. So we Rochambeau, and whoever goes first goes, and then we play a game of skate. The loser breaks the board, and if you don't break the board, you have won. But you do have to really try to do the trick. Dang it. Actually, you know what? That's good, because you don't want to go first on Don't Break the Board.
Oh man, this thing is gonna break. So I have to do tricks? Does that count as a trick? Front side 360 nose pivot, but it's a two-part.
Front three, walk the dog.
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't fall or break it.
You should get PJ up on this.
Jeez.
I didn't break it, It just comes apart like that. See?
Oh.
There you go.
It's fixed.
Like you.
Whoa.
Just pushing on it, it's like bending like that. I mean, there's nothing holding those two pieces together, nothing.
Grip tape is the grip tape, yeah.
Only the grip tape. So I didn't, that was not my fault. That was like shockingly way harder than you would have expected.
I understand the way of doing this trick is not in fine print.
I just put my foot on and it's...
I'm trying to get a pun and you're breaking it.
Sorry.
What? Oh! Drop in?
Drop in.
Dude, that is a horrible idea.
It's an idea.
Whoa!
I hate this. This is terrifying. There is no tail. Oh no. How did you do that, Doug? Whoa! So every time I get in that position, I remember the glass board.
All right, Doug, what you got?
Not a lot of options here.
Doug should grow a full mullet. What do you guys think?
Whoa! Aaron?
I think Don't Break the Rules state specifically if you can still land the trick on the board, it's technically workable. But do I redo the shove it?
Why would you
We need
redo
to
the
write
shove it?
official rules.
I guess in order to prove that it can still be skated, you should rebate to shove it.
That's what I mean, yeah.
Let's do it.
Woo, child! I really want to kickflip this, so please don't break it. But let me slow-mo this just in case you do break it. Wow. Sting like a butterfly, float like a bee.
Oh! Dumb!
It's still good.
Way to land right on the trucks.
Are you going for the kickflip?
Yes. This is where Don't Break That gets really intense. Oh! Wow. Scary.
I'm gonna roll into the giant bank over there.
And he did say he was just gonna roll in.
Nugget, this is... Oh! dress.
I'm gonna try and rock the fakie on the mini ramp.
There's no.
I need new friends.
There's nothing to drop in
Or
on.
worse at skateboarding. I'm just playing with Rowan from here on out.
Now that I'm here, it's like, shoot. Oh, one more. Oh my god!
Every motion that you make on it where it touches anything, it makes cracking noises. You got it, Doug. Just drop in from the high side.
He nailed that.
That was on another level.
Wow.
I just narrowly escaped death. 3D printer bite. Yeah, look at that side. Like the 3D printer melted away on the wheels. We should light this thing on fire, see what happens. Okay, Gabe went to like do things with his computer, which are apparently important. So it's your turn.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and nose manual one of these whole squares here in the Braille house.
You're gonna nose manual a whole square.
Yes. Success.
That was like freakishly too good. Yeah, right? What? And he popped over the blue tape like he was popping off the Braille drop. Oh! That was too hard.
I'm gonna try a 3 shove.
Please land right in the middle and break it. Ooh. And Doug didn't miss this, and I'm gonna land a kickflip. Nollie heel. Gotta practice landing just right there. Kickflip, land. Oh! Do I want to land that?
You gotta land it.
All right, let me land it. Dang it. Oh! Nobody's taking turns anymore.
What? What?
Let's name a trick and we'll all do it until it breaks. So we'll do the kickflip and then we'll do 3 flip.
Whoa. Oh!
That was like really good.
I need the luck of the gab.
I'm trying to give you luck of the gab here. Oh yeah, there it is.
Chad Muska. Tray flips, let's go.
I actually think that he landed in the middle and it fully hit the ground. So maybe it's not gonna break. Maybe we thought, oh, we ought to be so careful and now it's indestructible. If you land this first try, I'll give you 20 bucks, Doug.
Wow. Oh, Aaron!
That was horrible.
Dude, every time you fall, you just look like you're gonna break.
I do break every time.
Dude, it's not looking great.
Nah, it's cracking, and this graphic is coming off somehow. I feel like this is my destiny to land this.
Backpack's coming off.
Oh no.
Wow.
What?
It was the backpack the whole time.
Right there, man.
You're letting it go away.
I know.
I gotta beat Aaron and not lose.
Okay, I'm gonna land it and break it, and then lose, but win. Oh! How? How? How did he land that? This is like what filming a video part is like for me. You almost land the hardest trick, first try, 9 hours later, you're still trying. Whoa! I just don't think we can hard flip, but go ahead, do whatever you want. We just turn this into a full-blown free-for-all.
Just gotta go for it.
What?
Ever since I took that backpack off, I'm on fire.
2 to make it true. What in the...
You gonna try that?
I don't know what that is.
Rolling hubba?
Try it.
What is he doing?
He's rolling down the hubba.
He's rolling down the hubba. He was like, oh, I know what'll win. Rolling down the hubba. This is not really like a win-lose situation anymore. At this point, is the person who does break it wins? No answers. Gabe will give me no answers. He's got that extra padding on his back though. He's like totally okay.
Oh, wait, we haven't gotten a shot of it yet.
First try! Here goes Gabe
low
for
angle.
his first kickflip.
Actually, I do kind of want to try a kickflip, to be honest with you. Thank you. I never kickflip any of the fun stuff.
There you go. That's why you never kickflip any of the fun stuff.
Are we ready?
Yes. Nothing. Wow, this thing is seriously like structural integrity.
It's literally not going to break.
I know what it is. I figured it out. They use 4 bolts. Look at that. Those little pieces that are coming out though. It's like a honeycomb beehive of 3D printer. What are you doing there, muscle man Randy Savage?
Put money on it.
This thing is legitimately indestructible.
Maybe the guy who built this and put so much work into it would like to have it on the wall.
I think it's been through enough. We can hang it now.
All right. All right, guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. That was really fun. And this is an indestructible 3D printed skateboard. Can do anything. Thanks a lot to these guys for participating in the video. Go ahead and subscribe to McNugget and A Doug's Life. Leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, you can subscribe to this channel. And down there, you can hit likes. There's dislike buttons. There's all sorts of buttons to push. And you can talk to other people in the comments, and they'll talk back to you. We will too. Thank you.